Hello scholars, welcome back. Today we are going to start new chapter, and in that there is one poem, and the name of that poem is The People Upstairs, written by Ogden Nash. And this poem is very beautiful and related to our daily life. Okay, so let's start. This is the first page, and here you have to just write information related to your neighbor. Means why do you know who your neighbors are, whether you know or not. If you don't know, then you should ask from your parents. Do you go to your neighbors' houses and play with their children? Usually we are going to our neighbor's house, we are getting friends nearby us, and we are going to play to each other's house, right? So that you have to write. Do they visit your house? Whether your neighbors are coming to your house, whether they are visiting to your house. And the most important thing, that why is it important to know your neighbors? Write one reason in the space provided. Okay, so you have to write your own view, that as per you, why it is important, why is it important to know about your neighbors, to know about that what they are doing, what is their name, all these basic informations, why this is important to know. Okay, so reason you have to write here, and you have to write in your own words. Now the poem is The People Upstairs All Practice Ballet. What is ballet, scholars? Ballet is a kind of dance in which dancers are using their feet. Usually they are making sounds, they are dragging themselves from here and there with the help of their feet, and so much noise we can hear in that dance. So the people upstairs all practice ballet. Here poet is trying to tell about the people, those who are living upstairs us, means at the top of us. Okay, usually in flats or in apartments, people are living like this, right? So here poet is trying to drag attention, our attention towards them, that those who are living under, how they are feeling, those who are those whose houses are under the upstairs, how they are feeling. Okay, so the people upstairs all practice ballet. So they all are making noise in this way, that as they are practicing ballet at their house. Their living room is a bowling alley. Their living room is a bowling alley. Bowling alley is usually a place where people can play the game, or they can roll a heavy ball along a wooden track. Okay, they can roll a heavy ball along a wooden track to knock down a group of pins. As in this picture here, you can see that group of pins are there, and this wooden track is there, and the people, those who are playing this, they have to roll a heavy ball towards these pins, so that they can fall this group of pins, so that they can knock down this group of pins. Okay, and in this also we can get so much noise. So people is telling, poet is telling here that the people, those who are living upstairs, their living room is a bowling alley. Like we are getting so many sounds, different kinds of sounds, and poet is describing about living room, that we are getting sound from their living room as they are playing, as their living room is a bowling alley. Okay. Their bedroom is full of conducted tours. Their bedroom is full of conducted tours, means their bedroom is like messy, means maybe they are not getting things, they have not arranged their things properly. Like that sounds, on and off we are getting so many sounds, and so that the people, those who are living downstairs, they are thinking about their about the people, those who are living upstairs, they are thinking like that. So people is trying to show us that how different kinds, what is the imagination of poet here. He is trying to show that sounds with his imaginations. Okay, their radio is louder than yours, means when the people, those who are living upstairs, when they are playing their radios, their sound is always loud. Okay, so their radio is louder than yours. There means here the people, those who are living upstairs, they celebrate weekends all the week, means whole days of the week they are celebrating, like all days of the week they are celebrating as this day is the weekend. Okay, when they take a shower, your ceiling leak. So sometimes these things can happen, right? These things means those who are living upstairs, their toilet or their washrooms have there some leakage. So that leakage, that water will come to the people, those who are living downstairs, like that. They try to get their parties to mix by supplying their guests with pogo sticks. So what poet is telling here, that whenever they are doing any party, whenever they are celebrating something and they are throwing one party, so at that time they are giving maybe they are giving or supplying their guest pogo sticks. And pogo stick is a kind of thing on which we can stand and we can jump, but it makes a lot of noises. So poet is just imagining all these things, that why we are getting so much sound from the people, those who are living upstairs. He is imagining all these things, that whenever they are making parties, we are getting so many sounds, as like they supplied their guest with pogo sticks. Maybe they have not supplied, but this is only the imagination of poet. And when their fun at last abates, they go to the bathroom on roller skates, means after finishing each and everything, in last, when they become less, when their energy becomes less, at that time they are going to their bathroom on the roller skates. Poet is telling that after finishing their whole energy, they are moving towards bathroom with the help of roller skates. I would love the people upstairs wondrous if instead of above us, they just lived under us. So what poet is telling here, that I would love this, I would love these people, those who are living upstairs, I would love them wonderfully, but the thing is, the condition is, when they will live under us, means when we will live, when the people, those who are living now and in downstairs, when they will live at the upstairs, then only we can love, I would love the people, those who are living upstairs now. Means after exchanging the position, after exchanging the houses, maybe we can love, we would love the people, those who are upstairs. Okay, so scholars, in this way you have to read this poem, you have to understand this, and after finishing this, you have, what is your task? You have to learn the word meanings given in your textbook, and try to learn this poem. Okay, try to learn this poem. Okay, in next video we will start something new. Till that time, take care. Bye bye.